Hey my melodramatic fans, so today I've got you like a really different kind of video. Banana milk moisturizing hair pack, and you get quick and easy results with something very simple and by utilizing all the ingredients that you probably already have in your house. The benefits of this banana hair mask are gives your hair a lot of shine, a lot of volume, anti-frizz, it smoothens the hair out, and more than that, it absolutely smells amazing. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get started. So I start by taking one banana, some coconut milk, and some of your favorite conditioner. Go away and start mashing the banana with a fork, so that there are no hard lumps in there, and the more ripe the banana, the better. So the more brown the banana looks, it's just going to add more vitamins to your hair. So go away and mash that banana as well as you can. Go ahead and add about half a cup, which is half a tin of the coconut milk, to the banana, and mix all of that well into a smooth consistency and paste. Now take your favorite conditioner and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite conditioner to it and mix the mixture up well. So guys, after putting all the ingredients together, that's exactly what my hair mask looks like you can see, and it absolutely smells amazing. This is the brush that I'm going to use today to apply this to my hair, and like you can already see, I do have a little bit of oil which I've put in my hair beforehand. You can go ahead and use any kind of oil, but at the same time the hair oil that I've used is a homemade hair oil, and I will very soon make a video of that and put it on my channel and my link as well. On my pre-oily hair, I'm going to grab this brush and I'm going to start by applying this mask, which absolutely smells amazing. And this is what the texture looks like. It's slightly goopy, but I think it's the banana and the coconut milk and the conditioner of your choice that you put in that just makes it seem and feel even better. And like you can see, it's quite a lot of mixture, and I've put it in a glass container, and I can use this up to a week. So this mixture should last me about 2 or 3 times. So I'm going to gently go by starting . This mask is super easy to apply, and it really doesn't drip because of the consistency of the bananas as well as the coconut cream and the conditioner. It just kind of gets it all together, and it feels really cool and nice on the hair. And I'm sure for people who live in like hot countries, something like this you can easily do a couple of times a week to avoid your hair getting too dry because of the sun or because of frequent washing because of certain temperatures. You know, you feel hot and you want to just keep washing your hair. And I cannot stress enough how amazing this hair mask smells. And because it's like such a super friendly hair mask, you can use it on your children. It's amazing for detangling their hair if they've got really curly hair. And once this is done, I'm literally just gonna take a clip, whatever you call it, and literally just tie my hair up. So guys, despite using this on my hair, you saw how generous I was. I still have quite a lot of mixture left, which I'm just gonna put in the fridge to use another time, maybe 2 or 3 times, 2 times more in the week if I need to. So guys, like you can see, the pack is on my hair, and ideally I would advise leave it for about 35 to 40 minutes. The longer you leave it, it's better. And then just go ahead and wash it off, like shampoo your hair like you would naturally do, and go ahead and you don't need to apply any other conditioner. But during this tough time when we are all in a lockdown, the coronavirus is going around everywhere. We can't really go out to the shops to buy any expensive hair ingredients. We can't go to the salons to get our weekly, monthly haircuts. Split ends, everybody can see split ends coming on the hair is getting drier. We don't end up combing our hair that much because we're literally in our pajamas all day. So at this time, something like a hair mask, which you can easily make in your house with a few ingredients which are already available in your house, is the best thing, that best pamper treat you can give yourself. I know I look like a mess right now, so probably I'll leave this on for another half an hour and then go. And you should definitely try this hair mask out. It's the banana hair mask, and definitely you will notice that you don't need to go and spend so much money in salons or beauty parlors where you need to pay an X amount to make your hair looking shining, full of volume, anti-frizz, less split ends. So definitely give this video a like. Please share it with your friends if you do like the feel and the gloss that it gives and the bounce and healthiness that it brings back into your hair. And leave any comments below, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Melodrama by Tanya as well if you have liked this video, and leave any comments on any other DIY lockdown videos that you would like to see.